Hi biologists, in this video we are going to address light microscopes. We're going to explore magnification and resolution as well as looking at the different parts of the microscope. Let's begin. A light microscope uses lenses to magnify, meaning make bigger, and increase the resolution, show detail of images. High magnification is where an image is many times bigger than the object's actual size. Low magnification is when an image is only several times bigger than its actual size. High resolution image is more detailed and very clear, whereas a low resolution image is less clear and less detailed. When I explained the history of cell theory, it became clear that the quality of lenses and the technology around the light microscope changed significantly in the first 200 years of its use. As the quality of lenses increases, so did the ability to increase magnification and improve the resolution. Remember that a compound microscope uses two convex lenses. This means the first lens magnifies the object and the second lens magnifies the image from the first lens. Let's look at this piece of technology. The eyepiece magnifies 10 times. It's the part that you look through. The nose piece turns to change the objective lenses. The objective lenses are 4 times, 10 times, and 40 times magnification. The coarse adjustment knob moves the stage up and down to bring the slide into focus, but it produces a big movement. The fine adjustment knob moves the stage up and down to bring the slide into greater focus, and it's a much smaller movement. The stage is where you place the slide to bring it into focus, and it has a small hole to let light through. Stage clips secure the slide in place, reducing movement. Lamp switch and adjustment knob turns on the backlight to show the sample, and the adjustment knob adjusts the brightness. The diaphragm changes the width of the band of light up through the microscope. So, to set up your microscope, you first ensure that it is plugged in and placed on a flat surface. Ensure that the stage is completely down and the objective lens is set to the smallest lens. Place the slide on the stage flat, ensuring that the sample is over the hole in the stage. Secure with the stage clips. Turn on the lamp and adjust to a moderate brightness. Look into the microscope. First use the coarse adjustment knob to bring the sample into focus, then use the fine adjustment knob. Increase the magnification by turning the nose piece. This is the view down the microscope. You can see as I turn the adjustment knob, it slowly brings the grid into focus. Then I use the fine adjustment knob to get greater clarity of the image. From this clip, you should be able to define magnification and resolution, identify and briefly describe the different parts of the microscope, and outline the process to use a microscope. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time.